So here's the IKEA watch. The good thing is about time is quite big. Actually, you can see it's like, actually the size is almost 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch the time size by the length by the height. And here's humidity, here's temperature, here's set, plus minus. Okay, let's see this side. Here, 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 and the last. Okay, I don't know, you can stop the video. And let's unboxing the IKEA temperature watch. Temperature, humidity watch. Okay, so there's a sticker only actually. It looks like the watch is running, but wow, so much paperwork. I don't know what is that. Okay, and box empty. Oh, this is complete menu. Okay, so yeah, this is the right one. Oh, you have to, I don't know if they get batteries or not, but let's open. So here you can see the quick everything if you want manual for that. But yeah, wow, there is no batteries, so I have to get the batteries. And there is a stand actually, so it's nice. It's quite nice actually. It will be almost exactly the same. Button is touch. Let me find the batteries and I get back. Okay, so I got the batteries. Let's put the battery inside. So boom. Actually this is very dark, but inside looks like, yeah, it is. Wow, very nice, right? This one, but okay, not bad. So yeah, press longer for timing. 23. Okay, that's all. Press longer. Hour. Again this, and there's nothing more actually. And backside here, I don't know what is that, maybe the seal. No button on the back, nothing more. I don't find anything. If you can see, there's nothing more. So just you can set it, for example, 9:21. 9, 10, 11, 12, 21. Okay, 21. Yeah, plus minus is good. So this is the time. Okay, set. Actually, I don't like this one. I like AM PM. So I think they don't have AM PM. Honestly, personally, I don't like this kind of time. I'm always confused. So plus, oh, they have here 12 hour. So press long time, I think. Press this. Okay, long. So yeah, press. Oh yeah, just one time. Okay, not longer, just one time press. AM PM. Here nothing. Okay, that's all. So you see, even this is only the clock, but because I didn't read the menu properly, so this thing is almost useless for me. I think it's just everything is here. perfectly, but only one AM PM I just confused, right? And this menus at least a little bit work for me. So yeah, I don't know, you can see there's, I think, alarm also. Time so far they're showing, but yeah, you can read if you feel something you want to check. I was not expecting I need to use this manual for the clock. I'm IT guy. And you know, don't underestimate something. Like, manual is manual. The company made something, they knows better. That's why we are human and we have a user manual, you know. We have a book from the God and we have to read it actually. So the user manual, don't underestimate. Hope you get the lesson from even the small thing. Thumbs up for that.